52. In John chapter 10, verse 27, Jesus reveals an interesting mystery. He says, "My sheep hear my voice, and they follow me." This is so interesting because sheep don't speak the language of shepherds. Neither do shepherds speak the same language as sheep. So from the very start, Jesus reveals there's a language barrier and a difference in speech. This right here is one reason why many believers question, does God still speak? And does he speak to me? If you want to learn more about this topic, join me this Sunday as I preach a revelatory word about the voice of God. Join us this Sunday, March 15th. Don't miss it. Make your way down to Dania. We start 10:30 sharp. The address will be below. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to get there in person so you can learn a little bit more about how God speaks to you. God bless you, Group 52. Be there. He's doing something amazing, and have the best week of your life.